1, 2.
No, stop. I gotta remember.
Beep, 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 beep. Well, dead. All because of you.
That wasn't a water crash. That was into a gas station.
A gas station.
Water's still rough.
You just killed 40,000. Not that way, Mad Dog. I'm just kidding. I have no idea where we're going. Oh, we're going that way. Hey, bro. Hiya. Hey now. Hey now. Hey now. Well, I guess I'll be the back. You see a trick? Call that the Shakira.
Everybody all right?
Yeah.
My dog's coming surely but slowly.
So what mountain's that?
That's Gorham's Bluff.
That's Gorham's Bluff right up there, straight in front of me.
Mad Dog's just chilling.
How much grass is piled up behind my rudder?
Actually, not much. Surprisingly, because you had a whole forest on it when we were first leaving.
Yeah.
And there's actually none on it. Not a single piece.
Come on, puppy dog.
I'm working on it.
Well, right then.
Back it up,
Trying,
man.
you're so close.
And you just cost her 5 more minutes. Yeah.
That's all I'm trying to get.
She's gonna quit. We'll come back and pick her up on the way back.
Do not turn it on.
Oh, it's been on the whole time.
You can't put it all the way in the water. You gotta like.
Look, yeah, just dip it. Like, see how I got mine angled? And then just a little. Just don't splash me.
If you're going backwards, just spin it.
Just a little. Look, push off the front of mine.
Frat points.
Not really. It's just the whole fit.
Sweat shorts. And a hoodie. The hoodie ain't normal. That's that for it. That's my comfort blanket.
staying with the pack this time.
Yeah.
And that is some of the slickest mud in the universe right there. I can feel on my legs through the bottom of this kayak how cold this water is.
It's chilly.
You can feel the wind coming out of this cave.
If I can get up there, I don't know if I can get back without getting any water.
Well, you can wade it. It ain't but about chest deep.
It's really cold, man.
I tell you what's going to be rough though, boys and girl. Sitting in here and getting nice and cool, and then going back out in that sun, we're gonna melt.
Yeah, I was sweating and then getting here and now I'm cold off.
But I've been down here in June, July, August, and that waterfall's,
Always going.
I've never not heard it going.
I don't know where it's coming from.
Just land in the boat.
I got it.
You're about to dip your life jacket.
Yeah, put it on the seat first. Like double up. Yeah.
Can I push myself in here? Can I push myself on? These things get the hard part over with.
If you were in the blue one, you would have tipped.
Yes.
Yeah. Take it down and move it game over.
What happened?
I tried to push myself off the rocks and I tipped too much.
That's what you use the paddle for.
I know what I was thought.
So we're back to the boat ramp. We're back to the boat ramp. Everybody's got a wet butt. Trey nearly got a really wet butt.
Only half of it's wet right now.
Right cheek's wet.
All right, Madison, what's your favorite part?
Easy answer. There's only one correct answer.
The cave.
Why did it take you so long to think
The
about it?
cave.
The
Or
coolness
just
of
like
the cave.
the
Yes.
peacefulness of
It's
just like
pretty.
being on the water because there wasn't that many boats.
Yeah. Yeah, there wasn't many boats.
It was a very nice, calm day.
Yes, it was
Was.
very nice.
It was good.
All right.
Goodbye.
So I don't think I've introduced everybody on the video yet. So these are all my former FFA officers. So, yeah. So,
Yeah.
Madison, Sage, Trea.
I've been on a couple of your videos so far.
Same.
Yeah.
There's a whole wisdom teeth video of mine.
I'm on the Colorado ones.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. All right. So here we go. We got to get loaded up. We got to get these loaded up and out of these folks' way. If you enjoyed this episode, consider subscribing so you can join us on the rest of our crazy adventures. Remember to get out and find your own adventure, because even bad adventures make great stories. Thanks for tagging along with us today, guys.